Hey guys, how's it going? It's Brian at Two Indians. Hope you're all doing well today. It's a little cold in my garage. I got the heater on behind me. It's like 40 something degrees outside. Yeah, I know you all are living in like 2 degrees or whatever. But enough of that, on with the video. Today, our video is sponsored by the fine folks at HardStreet USA. They are makers of the saddlebag shelves and bag liners, and today we're going to put those in the Challenger. Now, if you're not familiar with what they have, obviously you'll see it in this video, but I've also done them on my Springfield, which has the rounded bag. Hang on. There it is. Has the rounded bags, and I have a set in that. And let me tell you, it has been a game changer. It's probably one of my all-time favorite accessories because it just makes life so much easier. Here, watch this. I mean, to tell you, there is nothing better than just being able to reach back into that saddlebag while I'm at a light or whatever and know that my phone or the bike keys or my earplugs or my kickstand puck or anything is just sitting right there within arm's reach. I never have to go searching for that stuff anymore. So anyway, we're gonna put those in the Challenger today, but I'm also gonna do what they call the finishing kit, which is a bag liner that goes inside of the saddlebag. And it gives you a nicer look inside. And also this time I'm using a shelf kit and liner kit that has a higher contrast, lighter gray color to it, whereas before I had the dark gray. And the visibility isn't as good with the darker gray, and the lighter gray gives you a lot of contrast, so it's easy for you to see what's in your bag. So let's get started on that. Let's do it. I think this is gonna be an easy project. And I think one of the first things we need to do is clean out the inside of the bag so we have good clean surfaces. So I'm gonna use some Clockworks Shineworks. This actually is pretty good stuff. I've been using it on just about everything. They sent me some of this stuff when they sent me the windshield that we just gave away, by the way, and works great. I like it. Might as well take everything out of here. I mean, the bike is only about a month old. So these are all numbered, lettered. Oh, that's nice. I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so basically we just put everything where it shows. I don't think there's any particular order that they need to go in. But like we learned in grade school, I think I'll just follow the numbers and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By the way, this is very similar to the same material that's used in boats called Sea Deck, which is really nice. Do a quick little dry fit there. So that looks pretty simple. Notice the contours fit perfectly for what's on the bag. I'm just gonna smooth all this stuff into place here. Looks like I could have pushed this back a little further. I don't know if I want to pull that off. I don't think it really matters either. All right, that's number one. Who's gonna go right next to it here? It was kind of touching this little bolt right here, so I'm gonna go up a little higher than that so we can access that bolt later. Like so. Yes.
I'm just checking in on you. Make sure you haven't frozen up here.
Just,
no floater boy.
just making videos. 3, and you can tell these pieces are meant to fold. Whoops, that's going to come up to the front here. Boy, does that look nice. Stick that a little bit. Number 5, this is a big one. This goes up over here. It's gonna go in like that. I feel like I kind of want to put this bottom one in first, because once I put this here, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it the right height. then there's a little curve in the back here, so I don't want to overlap it. So I'm going to work it from the back of the bag forward. Alright, so I'm going to push it towards the back here, get it right up next to that little curve. Just press it into place. Now, I told you it was kind of chilly in here. I wouldn't do this in really cold weather because of all the adhesive and everything. But to be honest, I'm getting a little warm now, so I'm going to take off my big shirt. Alright, number 6 is going to go in the back of the saddlebag. Alright, and you can tell from this camera that this really creates a lot of contrast now. It's going to make it easier to see everything that's hiding in this bag down here. Next we've got 7, 8, and 9. And then last but not least, yeah, you want to make sure you walk it all the way down into the little cracks and crevices. But man, that makes a big difference. You know, your black gloves laying in the bottom of your saddlebag before, they'd completely disappear. So at night, couldn't even tell they were in there. I love it. Same for your kit. Look at that. Man, I tell you, I love these things. All right, let's put it in the shelf. So when you get these, you get the left and the right shelf. It's about 150 bucks. And by the way, I don't think I mentioned it, but if you use code word 2Indians, you get 10% off. I think that's pretty awesome. So these are not labeled, but it's pretty easy to figure out. You only got 2 choices. So it looks like this one goes on this side here. I kind of probably would have done the shelf kit first because it looks like I may have a little bit of encroachment here. Looks like this one is shifted a little bit too far this way, but it's going to be okay. My advice to you, if you're going to do this, to do the shelf kit first. I think that's a good idea. All right, let's do this. I'm not going to pull the backing off all the way around. I'm just going to start on one side. And that way, if I have to make an adjustment, I can do that easily. So I'm just going to stick this down here. I'm going to start here. And again, just walk it around. Make sure this fits into the corner of my... And... all the way around here. That's how it goes. This piece is going to go right in here. Alright. Alright, and that goes here. There we go. Alright. That is super solid. That is not coming out. I should have positioned this piece a little bit further forward, and I may adjust that, but to be honest, it feels super solid. Now, throw your key fob in there, throw your knife in there, or whatever weapon of choice you have, and you're good to go. I love it. You got your gloves up there, put your wallet in there, whatever you want. All right, let's do the other side. So I did wind up putting the shelf kit in first on the other side, and it did work out a little bit better, but in the end, it probably doesn't matter all that much. But it did give me a good guide to start the process with. And again, I just walked all the pieces around inside the bag. But it came out great. Really happy with it. I think that's a nice touch. Putting that in there. I like it. And comes with its own trash bag. All right, guys, there you have it. Simple as pie, easy to put in, huge benefit, low cost. Definitely something you guys should think about putting in your bike. All right, so here's the really awesome thing. The next day after I did this project, I get home and there's a box at the door and it's from HardStreet USA. And I open it up and what did I get? Another set of saddlebag shelf kits for my Challenger. Now these will fit also a Chieftain, a Springfield, whatever has the slammed bags. It's not for the rounded bags. This doesn't include the liners that go all the way around inside, but it is a shelf kit and I'm giving it away to you, or maybe you, or maybe you, or you in the back there. Yeah. I think you're gonna win. Anyway, I'm gonna give this away and I think we're gonna have some fun with it. So this is what I came up with. You gotta be on Instagram and all you have to do is make a post with a picture of your bike and just write in there, hey, hashtag ride with two Indians. I wanna win a set of hashtag HardStreet_USA saddlebag shelf kits for my hashtag Indian motorcycle. I wanna make sure that you tag them because they're awesome people too. So post that before midnight, February 12th. And then on Sunday the 13th, we're gonna do another Facebook thing. I'll give you a time and a date later, but probably noon Eastern time on Sunday. We'll pick a winner. I'll help you guys help me pick the winner. How does that sound? And if you want, go by our website at ridewithtwoindians.com. and check out all of our swag there. We've got stickers and t-shirts and shop shirts and a bunch of cool stuff and hats. We've got some killer hats. And make sure you check out HardStreet USA because if you don't want to wait, 3 or 4 more weeks to get yourself one of these, just go ahead and buy a set and don't forget to use code word 2Indians for a 10% discount. All right, thanks to HardStreet USA for sponsoring this video and I hope to see you guys soon. 2 Indians, I'm out. Peace.